So we're checking out this 2000 CRV today to see why it possibly has a rod knock. I guess the oil was changed someplace else. Usually this car does come to us for service, but unfortunately we're pretty far from the owner, so I had to go someplace else, and it looks like maybe that rookie mistake of draining the oil but not putting enough back in may have occurred. I checked the dipstick. There's basically nothing on the dipstick to be spoken of. Which is a real shame because this car is actually extremely clean inside and out. Perfect interior, 5-speed all-wheel drive. So hopefully it doesn't need a new engine, but unfortunately that's probably the reality. So let's check it out and see what comes out of here. As most of you know, I don't usually get under cars at all these days, so you know, this is what we do to help out friends. The bolt was pretty loose to start with. So I don't know here. We'll find out pretty quick what's going on. Yeah, you really should call that place back, man. There wasn't any oil in here. Not like a little bit. There was like 300 milliliters. And I videotaped. I'm currently in the process of videotaping it coming out, but yeah, it's not even a. It's just irresponsible, man. It's not leaking out the bottom. It was never put in here. All the oil that's coming out is just the old oil from when they did the oil change, and then they just never put oil in it, man. Alright, so get this guy out of here. We got the bolt. Looks like they put a new crush washer on it. And that is all that came out. This car just had its oil changed. It looks like someone probably drained the old oil, capped it back up, and just forgot to put fresh oil in it. So it's a shame. It's a real nice car, really nice customer. Hopefully the shop that did this work stands by the work and maybe helps out the customer. Hopefully, he'll give him a call. Good luck.
That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Alright, and just to clarify, this vehicle did come in on a tow truck. The owner did bring it in non-running. Voiced his concern that he shut it off. He thought something else obviously had happened, but first thing we checked was the oil and saw that it had no oil in it. You can also see that the container we used wasn't actually fully empty, and that even furthermore shows the lack of oil that was in this engine because it barely covers the bottom of the drain pan after draining it for about 6 or 7 minutes. Hopefully the owner of the shop is watching this and will hopefully help out this customer with either a replacement cost of the engine and the labor or something, because this is just clear negligence, and it's unfortunate it happened, but hopefully they do the right thing and take care of it.